Amazon, the e-commerce behemoth. With over 200 million monthly active users, it's a marketplace that entrepreneurs can't afford to ignore. But how can it be a powerful sales channel for your product? Starting with the pros. Unmatched reach. By listing on Amazon, your product becomes accessible to a vast global audience actively seeking to make a purchase. Built-in trust. Amazon's established reputation means customers are often more willing to buy, even from new sellers. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. This service handles storage, packing, and shipping, making logistics a breeze. On the flip side, it's a very competitive landscape. Your product could be among thousands in the same category. Making product differentiation is crucial. Fees. Amazon charges for listing and selling, and if you opt for FBA, there are additional fees. Less branding control. Your product is presented in Amazon's format, limiting the personal touch you might get with your own Shopify store. Remember that you're playing on Amazon's playing field, not your own. Keen to get started on Amazon? Here's your primer. Product listing. Craft a compelling title, detailed description, and high-quality images, and optimize for Amazon's search algorithm. Pricing strategy. Competitive pricing can boost visibility. Consider Amazon's fees when setting your price. Reviews and ratings. These are vital. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive feedback. Amazon advertising. Much like Google Ads, you can promote your listings to appear prominently in search results. For those eager to master the intricacies, you can visit the Amazon Seller Central. They have tutorials, forums, and guides. Jungle Scout's blog and tools can help demystify product research and market trends. Amazon offers a marketplace full of eager shoppers. Integrating this with your Shopify product can create a potent mix, maximizing visibility and sales for your product.